experience. I feel excited, I feel nervous, I feel butterflies. I feel excited.
What's up, guys? Say hi. Let's do it. Hey, what's going on? Of course, lemonade. We did the best for last. Hi.
Hi guys, welcome to Spice of Christ Vendors Booth. Come on in. You're gonna first experience the gumball machine. You can win to spin. The whole point of things, all you gotta do is enter your email. Whatever color comes out is associated with one of these prizes. You can win a free sticker, a free print, or $3 off your purchase. We have t-shirts over here, and we have a clearance section. If you guys want to know where we get our prints from, we get it from printivity.com, and we get our stickers from jiffy.com. Being transparent here, because if you want to start your own business, this is where we get our stuff. We have these designs. This is our new design that just launched today. Grace check only at spiceofprice.com. Yeah, this is all of our stuff. And then this is my husband. Oh yeah, and we have tote bags. This is size 16 by 16, but we have two sizes online, 16 by 16 and 18 by 18. So check it out. Only in Spice of Price.
You can't play him.
You can. Oh, that's a good one. Breaking news from the Spice of Christ kitchen. This just in, hungry homies. If you enjoy the food, the faith, and the flavor from our Savior, you can now support the mission by buying us a coffee. But all jokes aside, guys, we're not monetized on YouTube, and even when we become monetized, YouTube takes about 30 to 40%. So buy me a coffee is a direct and simple way to support the work that we're doing. So if today's video has fed your spirit just a little, you can click the link in the description below, or you can scan this QR code and buy us a coffee to help us fuel what's coming next. This has been Spice of Christ Breaking News. Back to you.